Updating your tax filing status on TurboTax is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your TurboTax account. Visit the TurboTax website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the correct account associated with your previous tax filings. Step 2. Access your tax return. Once logged in, navigate to the section where your tax returns are stored. Select the tax return you want to update, typically labeled with the year you filed. Step 3. Go to Personal Information. Look for the Personal Info section within your tax return. This is where you can find your current filing status and other personal details. Step 4. Update your filing status. In the Personal Info section, find the option to change your filing status. Select the new status that applies to your situation, e.g., single, married, filing jointly, etc., and follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Review and save changes. After updating your filing status, review all changes to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, save your updates and proceed to complete your tax return as needed. By following these steps, you can easily update your tax filing status on TurboTax. Make sure to double-check your information before submitting your return.